Attracting 27 million visitors every year, London is the most visited city in Europe. It's no surprise that London is top of so many people's travel plans. The city was founded by the Romans and has thrived over the centuries. Today, London is one of the most diverse cities in the world, with a rich history and some of the most outstanding culture on the planet. The City of London is the ancient center of London, but is actually the smallest city in England. The London that we're familiar with covers a much wider metropolitan area and is home to almost 9 million people. Split into the vibrant and distinctive areas of North, West, South and East London, as well as the commercial and tourist hub of Central London. Every district has its own recognizable neighborhoods. There is always something to see and do in London. With some of the world's best art, entertainment, shopping, dining and history, it's impossible to be bored in London. Let's explore the best things to do in London. Number 1. London Eye. Located on London's South Bank, London Eye is the world's tallest cantilever wheel and the iconic figure in the London sky. This wheel attracts nearly 4 million visitors every year. This staggering figure suggests the popularity among the tourists and the locals. Wheel consists of 32 capsules which are made of glass. On a clear day, one can see up to 40 kilometers from the wheel. There are multilingual guides giving a commentary on the details of the spectacular view of the city. Buckingham Palace, Big Ben, Tower Bridge, and other famous London landmarks can be seen from the London Eye. Number 2. Kew Gardens. Popular as one of the unique UNESCO World Heritage Sites in London, Kew Gardens is one of the pleasant getaways in the city to enjoy with your family and friends. It is home to a fascinating collection of living plants and also has an internationally recognized scientific research center. It has a collection of more than 14,000 trees and is known for its exquisite natural landscape, which leaves everyone spellbound. Spread across a site of 300 acres, Kew Gardens is a leading center of research, having a library and museums along with its beautiful gardens. Number 3. Buckingham Palace. Buckingham Palace was built in 1703 for the Duke of Buckingham and has been the official residence of the British royals since 1837. Today, however, it is considered one of the most prestigious tourist destinations in the United Kingdom. A tour of Buckingham Palace delivers nothing but grandeur and exhilaration, from leisurely observation to the changing of the guards. Number 4. Tower Bridge. Tower Bridge is an iconic bridge located on River Thames that has become symbolic to London. During the earlier times, it was also called Tower of London, due to a royal prison that was located inside this tower. This bridge has been built with a unique combination of bascule and suspension elements. It took 8 years to construct this bridge, and it is exemplary to great engineering and design. The bridge was opened for public on 30th June 1894 by the Princess of Wales. It is 240 meters in length, and its twin towers rise 61 meters above the River Thames. The rising bascule and the grand towers of London Bridge make it one of the most recognized bridges in the entire world. The most striking feature of Tower Bridge is its 2 magnanimous towers that are connected through 2 parallel walkways. Number 5. River Thames. River Thames is also known as Tamisa or Thamesis in ancient times, and River Isis is the main river of southern England. The river is famous for its serene atmosphere and virgin beauty, and is an integral part of London's economy and tourism. This river is a great place for history buffs, bookworms, and adventure junkies, and exploring its surroundings will surely satisfy you and offer an exhilarating experience. Number 6. Trafalgar Square. Resting at the heart of London, amidst the bustling town of Westminster, lies the country's most notable landmark, Trafalgar Square. Constructed in 1840, the square is not only a popular tourist attraction, but is also an iconic landmark glorifying the city's rich heritage, history, and culture. From Buckingham Palace and the London Eye to the verdant gardens of St. James's Park, the city's most renowned monuments and destinations are located just a stroll away from the square. Pearly white fountains are flowing with turquoise waterform, a decent spot for resting quietly as you admire the intricate sculptures of gorgeous mermaids and fishes carved at the outline. Number 7. ArcelorMittal Orbit Skyline. The ArcelorMittal Orbit stands at 114.5 meters tall over the East London skyline and provides stunning views of Canary Wharf, O2, the Shard, the Gherkin, St. Paul's Cathedral, the Walkie-Talkie, Alexandra Palace, and out to Wembley Stadium. The slide, designed by German artist Karsten Haller, was added to the tower in 2016, and Londoners and visitors alike have been enjoying this amazing experience ever since. The place will let you explore the UK's tallest public artwork through light and dark sections as London's dramatic skyscape passes by. Number 8. Kempton Park Racecourse. The Kempton Park Racecourse is a horse racing track situated in the posh county of Surrey, situated 16 miles to the southwest of Charing Cross. The racecourse is one of the lesser-known tourist attractions in London, but is popular amongst horse racing enthusiasts. It hosts some prestigious racing events like the National Hunt Racing, 888 Sport Handicap Chase, and Serenia Stakes. The naturally stunning landscape, which stretches over 210 acres of rolling grasslands with 2 scenic lakes in the middle, makes it a must-visit place for everyone. Apart from the races, the place also holds a bi-monthly antiques market, seasonal wedding fairs, and other weekly markets. Number 9. Barbican Centre. Barbican Centre happens to be one of the most renowned centres for performing arts in the Barbican Estate in London. It is one of its kind in Europe and is considered to be the largest in the world. This centre is a popular place for a multitude of events, starting from classical and contemporary music concerts to dance performances, and from film screenings to art and craft exhibitions. The Barbican Centre happens to be one of the members of the Global Cultural Districts Network. The City of London Corporation has not only funded the Barbican Centre, but also maintains it at the present time. As per the estimates, the building was constructed at an expense of a whopping £161 million at that time, which is now equivalent to almost £500 million. The centre was opened for public visits in the year 1982 after Queen Elizabeth graced its inaugural ceremony. One of the primary reasons for its significance in the tourism map of the United Kingdom is its brutalist architecture. The architects of this magnificent building were Chamberlain, Powell, and Bond. Number 10. National Gallery. Explore the journey of European art at the National Gallery, masterpiece by masterpiece, including paintings by Botticelli, Leonardo da Vinci, Rembrandt, and other well-known artists. Free guided tours, audio guides in many languages, and family activities for children of all ages are provided. The National Gallery has one of the world's most important collections of artworks. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.